fucking do it. All right. What's up, Sound Pony? How the fuck we feeling? We're the solution with friends. We're gonna do a couple songs for you. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys are enjoying it.
When we were barely there,
jammy jam?
Used to. So this one I'm gonna start out.
Sounds good.
Y'all come in. Door signal them in, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
So this one's just to see what's happening.
Yes, Daddy. Oh, yeah? Oh, this song's about to come out on my album. Things We Know drops April 1st. And we don't talk like we used to, writing all these living room blues. So what the fuck are we gon' do? Cause all I think about. And we don't talk like we used to, yeah, writing all these living room blues, yeah. So what the fuck are we gon' do? And I've been thinking about you all day, yeah. Thinking about what I'm gonna say. I promise I'm done with my old ways, yeah. They got lost in a highway, on my mind, and I can't stress enough on how your lovers made me blind. Got me counting stars and searching for a sign. See, I can't rectify and speak on who I used to be. All I know now is who I am and who I choose to be. Ruthlessly, got inside and confuses me. How in the fuck did I realize that's just stupid me? Girl, you didn't cupid me. Might as well close my eyes and fall asleep. Cause the only happiness I find is in my dreams. Cause we don't sound like we used to, yeah. Writing all these living room blues, yeah. So what the fuck are we gonna do? Cause all I think about. And we don't sound like we used to, yeah. Writing all these living room blues, yeah. So what the fuck are we gonna do? Yeah. That's all I think about. From here to eternity, forever the flame to be burning me. It's okay, keep on swerving me. I help you do it damn purposely. See, that's the type of shit that be irking me. And I'm sorry they need to my chest, they open heart surgery. And we all complain all about these stupid things. Promise we won't ever change. Problems just in solar range. I'm just trying to stay lazy and playing stupid games. I don't know what you gain, Help me out, just living in lust, walking around with no one to trust. But I know one day I'll find you eventually. Hopefully, guessing me not through a tragedy. Call you my majesty, somehow ending the travesty. Hating to saddest me, you said to me, Galaxy. And we don't sound like we used to. Right now, these living room blues. So what the fuck are we gonna do? Cause all I think about. And we don't sound like we used to. Like we used to, writing all these living room blues. So what the fuck are we gonna do? Cause all I think about. And we don't talk like we used to. living on blues, yeah. So what the fuck are we gon' do, yeah? Cause all I think about is you. All I think about it's you! How we feeling, guys? We feeling all right? Alright, can you turn down the reverb on my shit? Yeah! For the next couple songs. I'm gonna be rapping a little bit.
Now we're gonna do something, I think the Holy Spirit.
Alright. I got some. My sender.
Oh, hey. Hey, baby boy.
Michelle? Oh, can we see my sender block up? Thank you very much.
You're the center of my block.
Make me cry right now. I swear to God, if you don't make me cry, I might just like
Well, I guess you're pissing on yourself. This song is also coming out on my album, April 1st, Things We Know. This song's about belief, you know. I really don't believe in anything, but the thing is, I have belief in myself, and that's where belief starts. And then after that, you can do anything. You feel me? Yeah, glad I found myself today. Better than a sour place. Lots of things have left me in a sour way. No, I can't be soft today, cause I got people depending on me. Hold them down, ain't no time to wait. Life been about that power play. Love that engineer to beat. Know this shit about the geek. He ain't creme leg, I'm on the ground like Savvy Cray. Bumping verse, I replay. $30 inspiration. Why I feel inspired to make. I be knowing this my fate. Stay away from all the hate. Look inside and know you great. Not a weakness or a trait. Still a heathen, never saved. Probably destined to an early grave, but at least I know I paved the way for others to have a place. A solution of my state. My being to emulate things we know ain't what I gave. I know now I'm not a slave to this matrix that we play. City climbing down the pace, ready for outer space. Temporary I create while I'm here yet far away. Things we do we make or break. By me floating in the lake, bloated from the shit we ate. Know that I forgive real mistakes. We're all just a little human anyway. And it's okay if you think that we're not gonna make it. And it's okay if you think that we're not meant to be. I already know that I'm gonna be one of the greatest. And it's okay if you don't believe in me. Of my environment, that's why I'm never stopping, never thinking of no retirement. Gotta keep inspiring, knowing I'm going higher than myself. Living the life of bitch, I'm not expiring. Maintaining mental health, probably through hard wiring. Moses man, I'm parting seeds, some calling me Leviathan. Steady focus on the cheese, ratatouille inspired this. Probably the reason they get firing. I'm tripping a lot, reach through prior biz. See no evil, hear no evil. Straight up on my Richard Pryor shit. I'm a catalyst, hotter than a fire pit. Swinging through your city, wonder where the fucking tires went. Begging up committee, say they hear me on another level, on a higher ship. You can ride a dick before I fire it. Silly me, rich and letting me. Hitting to me when I'm legging it. Stringing like that, I'm legging it. can study your craft in the corners on that fake shit, Stay away from moderation, never let up on your patience, never let on your creating. We all stars in the making, we just case in the oven making simple word that don't hear our praises. No risk of an immaculate immaculation. Sipping risk when the practice cadence, already set us like lightning, law and raiders. Under instinct got super saiyan. So y'all bet you get to praying when you hear me salivating. Never waiting on no begging black cock when I spray it, And it's okay if you think that we're not gonna make it. And it's okay if you think that we're not meant to be. I already know that I'm gonna be one of the greatest, yeah. And it's okay if you don't believe in me. Say it with me. And it's okay if you don't believe in me. Sing it with me. And it's okay if you don't believe in me. Come on. And it's okay if you don't believe in me. Yeah. And it's okay if you don't believe in me. And it's okay if you think, and it's okay, yeah. Thank you. Boy, I'm sweaty. Thank you. We got a couple more songs for you guys. I love you too, Bubba.
You ready, Greg?
No, I'm not. Okay, guys, I want to talk to you real quick. I'm a big fan participation type guy. I want y'all to repeat after me. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Okay? You guys ready? I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops. Go! Go! I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops. Go! Alright, I think they're ready. Let's do this. This song's called I Just Fucked Your Bitch in Some Gucci Flip-Flops. She be shamed, numbers opening her rappers on Tanjiro, gave her the Gucci, she brought it down, hanging phenomenals, thinking they guts in the dominoes, eating like dominoes, making it papa hoes, it isn't couple flows, everybody's on stopping those, thinking this rapper go pop it and let it go, feel like animals, hey, watching your singers and Davies and play, got me the greatest, the way that I'm moving, I sway, give her the dick and her pussy go pay, she bought my premium today, told me to hold her, I told her to lay, circus so late, I cheer her the way to the slate, making the rules that I pay, bitch I be crushing like waves, she love on my city, she know how I feel, feeling like pissy and popping the seal, fuck as a heart, cause I keep me the real, give a fuck about a ranking the deal, this on the mind like I'm packing the steel, backing that bitch, you know what it deal, second that bitch, she owe me a meal, killing the pussy, that license to kill, did it again like the dentist appeal, keep it electric, I'm taking the eel, sound like no bitch, don't give me this feel, blowing on dolly, you blowing on tail, said it before and I say it again, maybe it's a me, replacing the fit bitch, hey. I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops, ayy. Nice and loud for me. beautiful. Y'all can do it, don't be scared. Said, I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops. Hey, 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 hey. Go! We'll do it again. Fuck your bitch in my Gucci flip-flops and the flip-flop like a wristwatch, big dots, bitch watch, I live in a big top, codeine, never go like a big boss. Big shit's like a free cross, watch the way that they fly, sound little homie, please stop. Big pass, so you better check a list up. Guns in my bars, thinking it was good stuff. Hit you with the pistols, I can win the club, watch the way you lift up. Watch the white with the crystals, ain't like a motherfucking missile, like KD, we okay, get fucked yo. I just fucked your bitch with the whistle, she said the dick, so good, but it's low, purple activist, watch the way we did slow. Cause, hey, yeah, I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops, hey, 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 yeah. Go! Bitch, it's some Gucci flip-flops, hey, 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 said, I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops, hey, hey, hey. From the rafters, please. Said, I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops, hey! For Tyler Downing on guitar. Yeah! We got V on drums. V on bass, sorry. Dexter on drums. And the band on keys. My name is Ed Darko. Go ahead, take it away, Tyler. Your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops, hey, hey, hey. Yeah, I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops, hey, hey, hey. Said I just fucked your bitch in some, hey, hey. Yeah, hey, hey, hey. Thank you guys. Okay, we got one more song. Hey, I just want to shout out Dexter, Pete, and Amanda real quick. They impromptu most of our songs, so you guys are kicking ass, and I love you guys so much. Shout out the Dexter though, for real. Oh yeah, I guess I should shout that out, right? Mondays! Yeah, we do a little, we have a residency at Rabbit Hole every Monday. We do throw a variety of events, comedy shows, poetry nights, all kinds of things. Come check us out every Monday at the Rabbit Hole. But also come to Sound Pony. Yeah, come see something. Just be a whore and go everywhere. Be in everything, fuck it. This is a jam, so let's do it off the top, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. I of this motherfucking life is on the burn. Just know that I'm here with you. Just know I'm here with you. Just know I'm here with you. Just know I'm here with you. Get that shit, Tyler. Hey, yeah! Just know I'm here with you. Just know I'm here with you. And just know I'm here with you. There's a time and place for everything. There's a time for you to make a change. There's a time and place for everything. Yeah. And there's a time and place for everything. There's a time for you to change. Yeah. There's a time and place for everything. But just know that I'm here with you. Just know that I'm here. But just know. Just know that I'm here with you. Just know that I'm here with you. Thank you guys so much. That's our time. And if you're wondering, I drink Jameson.